The Ebonies.
BCL Studios.
The Ebonies, another new play and not a replay. OMG, oh my God.
Present.
The Ebonies. The Ebonies, another new play and not a replay.
The Ebonies.
Oh my God. Friends and fans, your stars again. Who shine on stage like ever before. Welcome, be part of the show. Welcome, be part of the show.
High five, high five.
OMG. Oh my God. Kino
Part
Kitalo.
of the show. Welcome, be part of the show.
High five, high five. Give me five, give me five. We bring you the best, cause we are the best. We bring you the best, cause we are the best.
The Ebonies. The Ebonies, another new play and not a replay. OMG, oh my God. The Ebonies. The Ebonies, another new play and not a replay. OMG, oh my God.
Previously on OMG.
Thank you so much. Hey, look. Nagama tukyalina okuzaala. No, tukyalina okuzaala. Ako tikali kalungi nnyo. Na look.
Daddy.
Leza.
Inako bintu byayagala kutegeeza Daddy.
Yogera.
Bale njagala kutegeeza gwe yeka.
There's nothing I hide from my wife. Go ahead and tell me. Chichi mtawanati.
Daddy, eri mukazi aina lubuto. Ogamba njikwese mu store nga mami tamanyi yafudde. Omukazi wo aina lubuto wakwese mu store yafudde.
Are you serious?
Akoze mulambo.
Tonight's episode, Love at First Sight.
I'm so
I
sorry.
understand. Oh my God.
Jumping to a conclusion without first finding out the truth.
It's okay, honey.
Omukazi ali olubuto afidde mu store. I couldn't even imagine.
It's so embarrassing. In fact, it also scared me. My God, mukazi ki gwe natadde mu store ali olubuto.
I couldn't imagine it was a goat.
Yes, it was a goat. Mbuzi, it was, by the way, that goat was supposed to be a surprise to you.
Oh.
Yeah, it was from my mother to you, her daughter-in-law. Era yabadde ankutidde nti togimulaga and ogimwere ddala ku her birthday, your birthday next week.
Would have missed it.
But I was like, how could I do such an absurd thing to the only woman I love in my life? And my God.
I love you too.
Darling, I love you too. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I think in our love life, this has been the most embarrassing
God,
situation.
I couldn't imagine it was happening to me. But thank God it was on God.
Sarah.
Yes.
Oh, baby. You mean a lot to me. You know what? I can never, and I will never love any other woman. You're the woman of my life.
I can't imagine life without you here.
Oh, I know. Oh, darling.
Yes.
I've got an appointment with the American ambassador.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got a meeting with him. Oh my God. Sawa yeyo.
Let me hope you're not late.
No, I've got to go, honey. Oh,
I've
I've got to leave.
I'll be waiting for you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you so much. No, I won't. I'll make it. I'll be.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you so much.
I'll miss you.
You mean you love me this much?
Of course.
As much as I love you?
More. American ambassador, my foot. He thinks I'm an idiot. Hello, Alex. Koste wange eri clear watch it. It's clear as well. Okay? Kakati, can I see you? Yeah. In 30 minutes. I'll be with you, dear. I love you. Sweetheart.
I've got to leave.
Oh, I know.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Let me first make it. Okay.
Love you.
Oh,
I'm going to miss you, but I've got to leave.
Okay.
Okay. Love you.
Love you more. Alex, here I come.
Munajjukira nti omuwala Kitra bwe yamala okukizuula mu lujjudde nti omusajja we Bob bwe yali agenda okufumbirwa era yali yakamunaanika empeta nti yalina omukyala n'abaana ng'ate buli mwana ne maama we n'alayirira ddala eby'abasajja okubyesonyiwa ng'akyali mu kirayiro ekyo ate bba wa mukulu we Barnabas n'ayongerera ddala okumunyiiza bwe yagezaako okumukwana nga yeebuzaabuza.
This has just proved resolve yake. Man, if you ever see me with any man hungry,
heart goes to. And I see from his look that he feels the same way too.
They never turn up. Why when a action time? Things have to come up and a bag of excuse have to find. Either you give me what's mine, or tell me straight to the point, so me wasting me time. Don't you try con me, baby, don't you try trick me up now. Don't you try con me, baby, don't you try trick me up now. Don't you try con me, baby, don't you try trick me up now. Don't you try con me, baby, don't you try trick me up now. Credit done, phone battery run up. Back you in a beat and the grades me a run up. You say you're coming over to come make the fire turn up. Pill, me bleach until the sun come up. You know about the war be the queen or what? Tell me if there's an next man running.
That's the shit, yeah.
You're that DJ of that game.
Thanks, man, thanks.
Oh, God. God have mercy.
Madam? Sorry to disturb you, but I'm looking for someone. Actually, a certain lady. She's light-skinned, petite, with dark olive hair and a wonderful smile. Actually, I met her here yesterday.
I saw you.
You saw me?
That must be Ketra.
That is her name?
Yes.
She's called Ketra?
Yes.
Oh, is she from around here? I mean, is she around right now? Can I meet her? I'd really love to meet her.
She's not around, but please make inquiries from the counter.
I inquire at the counter?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Once again, sorry for this stuff.
It's okay.
Hey, excuse me.
Yes?
I've heard you looking for somebody petty.
Petite, yes.
Yeah, sexy.
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 Yeah, she is sexy.
Yeah, you know, like brown skin.
Yeah, she's light-skinned.
Brown skin.
Yeah. With dark olive hair.
Olive hair. I know her.
You know her? Actually, the lady told me her name is Ketra.
Hey, come on, Ivy. Come over here. You know, like that's my twin sister.
Oh.
You know, like hey.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He's my twin brother. He's called Taintacle.
And she's called Ivy J. You are?
I'm Ricky.
Ricky.
Ricky, sir.
You know, Ricky, we run this town. Nothing goes around here without us knowing.
Okay.
You know.
So you know Ketra?
Definitely we.
Can you take me? Can you take me to her?
Ketra,
yes.
Right now.
A place or where she is right now? Is she around right now?
Yeah,
we at your service.
We're at your service.
Thank you. As in right now. Actually, I would really love to meet her.
Right now, yes. No problem. Can we use our bike to take you?
No, actually, if you don't mind, I would very much love to use my car.
Oh.
Why not a bike? It's small.
Okay.
You know.
Whatever you
I just parked around the building.
Please lead the way.
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Lead the way.
Actually, I'm in luck.
Oh, it's all right here.
Yeah, we're the twins. We're so.
Yes.
I just
Ketra.
You know what? Twin sister, let's go show this guy here.
We are going to smash him tonight.
Don't you try con me.
Blah, blah, blah. Lil Weezy, Young Money, baby. You know, that's how we roll.
Oh, God. I can't believe I'm finally going to meet this lady again. Ndabya abakazi bangi nnyo yonna gye ntambula mu nsi n'amawanga ag'enjawulo. But Ketra is different. Something about her smile, her eyes. I mean, when I saw her yesterday, omutima gwange gwamwagaliddewo at first sight. This is strange to me. I mean, techimbangako not even once. I mean, I pray that she remembers me. Oba agenda kukitwala atya. I hope she feels the same way.
That's how we roll. J. Cole, Hover.
And so, Tentacle, are you still in school, like university?
Do I look like I'm a lecturer, you know? Yeah, for sure. Okay.
I can't even believe my eyes.
An angel, you say?
An angel? You say an angel?
Ain't you touched?
Oh my God.
Such a moving story. He met an angel. Somebody's in.
Finally tutuuse wa Ketra. Naye nga the house is a little bit but I don't care. Ne bwe yandibadde nga asula mu cave oba mu kasiisira oba mu bitooke, I don't care. I feel I love her and I have to meet her again. Okay.
Introducing Ketra!
Naye munange webale kujja naye munange nkubulire eno gyozze tofaayo okuva lwoze wano ewasenga nze mumala nsonga omaze ojja kutereera eno gyozze nze senga mumala nsonga tofaayo nze wano weze toyinza kugenda nga toteredde anti gwe naye ebizibu by'olina kubanga bagambye oli yegeyege olina ebirwadde okuba ebyo ebirwadde byammwe ebyo byetaaga eddagala nga ly'amaanyi ye tofaayo ina omusejjere nembeera n'omuleganjuba.
No, aren't we looking for Ketra?
Yeah, she's the one. Ketra.
Njagala Ketra nyabo.
Ebyo bya Ketra. Ebyo bya Ketra biveeko. Eddagala ly'ekizungu nno munaye mulyesibirako bwereete likola. Buliriza, nze nina eddagala. Ketra tajja kukolera. Nze nina eddagala eri kakwiki reaction. Jangu. Oli muyiga.
No, there's a mix-up. Hey, Nyabo, so cool, okay? Hey, we got you. You got bombs. Hey, it's a mistake. We are looking for Ketra.
How can this Ivy take my boyfriend here to play a game on a certain guy and it takes like forever. He doesn't even have the courtesy to tell me where he's going. Madam, have you seen my tentacle? Who is tentacle? My boyfriend. He was sitting there with Ivy.
I don't know any tentacle.
Sorry, madam. Jeez. Sir, have you seen my tentacle?
Tentacle?
Yeah, my boyfriend. He was sitting there, I was sitting there and
Can a being called tentacle? Is it a pet?
The hell are you jazzing?
Sorry, I've never seen a tentacle in Uganda.
Wait. How many times should I tell you not to take away my boyfriend? I know it is you, blah blah blah. Every time it's you. Before you give me a I even hate you.
Let me explain. Trust me, you are going to laugh my hands off. This guy. What?
Guess what? The other guy, just food, coming back.
The guy with the beard. The guy with 2 roses. He's coming here right now. Hold on. I know what you guys want. Yeah, you know what? The basic thing, you act like Ketra, that's all. You always act like Ketra.
Sorry?
Yego mwami abadde anoonya omukyala Ketra.
Yeah, but I've been fooled by some teenagers, you know. I just say that's the age and somehow I suspected.
Well, nina amawulire amalungi. Ketra bw'obadde onoonya atuuse. Ketra waali wano.
She's here?
Ketra is here.
Where is she?
She's over there.
Where?
Over there. That lady over there.
You mean the lady with reddish hair?
Yo.
She changed her hairstyle?
She's the one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me go and meet her right away, please. Thank you very much.
This is someone's business. What's happening about we are sorry, sir. Go out. Okay. I said you get away. Get away. He's a bit bored here. Let's go. You are one guy, Jano, who the Wakabin Japuter, the police, and Jana, but what? Put on a good one of Musicobon. Gentlemen, sorry, gentlemen. Very sorry. It's very nice. Sorry. My mistake for coming. It's not your mistake. No, it's okay. There's some kids told me earlier on, but yeah, it's okay, never mind. They're just kids, teenagers. But sorry. I was living anyway. I was just looking for a certain lady. Ketra. But Ketra? Yeah, I'm looking for Ketra. You were in the Ketra? Yeah, I've been looking for her since morning. You're looking for Ketra? Yes. Ketra Manjira Kuru. You know Ketra? You? Okay, Ketra Paloma, sister Sharon in Barabas. How do Manjira? All of them how good Manjira Kuru? You know her? Can you take me to her place? Yeah. How can I meet her? I really want to. You okay? Yes. Can you okay? I met her here yesterday. Yes. I to get a foot to our own muzei. Over the Mokati Manilo Valia Salon. Welcome to Area and gentlemen. This guy is going to take you away. Thank you very much. But very sorry. It's okay. Those are just kids. I'm really happy. Nice you know the place? Yes, I do. You understood it very well. Yes, I know. You don't mind if we use my car? That time's a bitch! That time's a bitch, baby!
Lecturing today. No. I already sent notification to my students that I won't be coming in. Yeah. But I requested Professor Ngom to stand in for me. Yeah, he will be coming to teach them. Yeah. You know, today is our anniversary. Our wedding anniversary. My husband doesn't remember. But all the same, I'm going to surprise him and he will be here any minute. Yeah, the wine is set, his suit. We're going to go out for the evening. Okay, see you then. All right. Bye-bye. wanga tojjukira nti no leero anniversary yaffe. There he is, Henry. Henry, darling, please use the back door. Ebisumuluzo byawo twabi misplacing nze. Okay? Henry, you're going to have your favorite drink. Then we go out to your favorite place and you'll have your favorite meal. And then Manyiche wetaga. Njachikwa quick. Henry, oh dear. There you go. Happy anniversary. Sophie, what are you doing here? What do you want? Where is Henry? Sophie, tell me what. Njagala Henry. Tell you what do you want? Njagala Henry. Sophie, what do you want? Sarah. Kusirikiride ebbanga ddene. Wanyononera obufumbo bwange. And my husband went abroad. He went. Gwe mazima wano oli musanyu, oli mukweyagala. Because oli ne family yo, oli mumaka agoteredde ntende. Nze ndi eri ndi mukubonaabona. Ogenda ku anniversary. Bwoza nze saagala anniversary. Nze sizeegomba. Sophie, I'm so sorry, Sophie, Sarah. It's high time your husband found out the real woman you are. Sophie, please don't tell my husband. Tambulira chinese wano kugamba bawo. Sophie, kugamba amanye buli kimu kyonna ekyaliwo. Bwoloza nze nabireyo nga safaringa. Nteeka okumugamba. Please don't tell my husband. Okay, Sophie. I'm sorry, Sophie. I made a mistake. But I'm so sorry. I'll never do it again. A mistake? I'm potobulira husband. Kuze kukolera mistake? Sophie, ngenda mugamba kyekindese. Sophie, tomugamba. Sophie, yakuwa sente. I'll give you money. So what? Forget about this. Sarah! Money? Sarah! Do you think I'm that cheap? Huh? Will your money bring Alex back? Oba busente bwo bugenda kumyawo Alex. Oba bugenda kujjawo gwe byewakola ne Alex. Sophie, kale byesena tubiveeko Sophie. Wamala okunyononera amaka gange kati ogamba bogenda okumpa sente. Sophie, I'll do anything. Sophie, kyonna kyongamba nja kikola Sophie, but mbinkumulira tobulira my husband. Obulamu bwange bwonna bugenda kuwoloneka. I'm going to lose everything. Anything. I'll do anything. Sophie, just name it. Okay. You said you were going to do anything. Okay. I too want to sleep with your husband. What? So that we'll be even. Sophie, are you crazy? Crazy? Sophie, how can you suggest such a thing? You said crazy? Katoros nyabo zendi crazy. Zendi crazy. Nga gwe bwali ogenda ne bawa ngeti wali crazy. Bwali ogenda ne Alex te wali crazy. Olokati nze ndi crazy suggesting ali mu process y'okugenda naye. Ndi crazy gwe nga bwali ogenda ne Alex te wali crazy. Tewakirowoozaako. So kateronze ndi crazy. No, Sophie. Anyway. I don't need your blessing. Because abantu bonna bamanyi nti your husband is a womanizer. Ani atakimanyi ti Henry womanizer. Ani atakimanyi. I just nja kumwefunira ne bono mumfunidde. Nja mwefunira. Ate bw'onooba tomunfunidde nze ne mmala mwefunira nja kumugamba nti you slept with my husband. Olwo alyoka amanye akakazi kano kayita omukazi awaka. Ndyoke ndabe naawe bw'onoobeerawo wano.
omunfunire oba mwefunire mugambe byonna bye badde okola ne bba wange, in which case ajja kuba ategedde the kind of woman you really are. Tulaba oba onoobeera mu maka gano kati salawo.
Hello, darling. What? Sophie.
Yes.
Oh, you're welcome. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay.
You look good.
Thank you.
You look sexy,
Oh.
doesn't she?
Of course you do.
Oh yes. Oh, by the way, it's been a while. I haven't seen Alex.
Era ekyo kye kibadde kindeese nga njagala kugambira ddala gye byatandikira ddala. Gye byatandikira ddala.
Bitya, what do you mean?
Anti omanyi tubadde
What is it?
Mwami Gava omanyi tubadde wano ne Sarah nga tudiscussingamu naye nampa magezi nangamba nti omwami Henry yekka yasobola okuyamba.
Yeah, of course.
Do we have something to discuss? Shall we sit down?
No. You don't have to sit, sweetheart. I know. Auntie
omanyi Mwami Gava.
What is it?
Nze ne Alex tweyawukana.
What?
Alex yangendako.
No.
Naye omanyi kwe kyava?
No. Alex Alimba.
Omanyi kwe kyava mwami?
Alex Alimba. A beautiful lady like you. Akuleka watya. No.
Naye omanyi kwe kyava?
Kyava kuki?
Kyava
kuki?
Kyava. Kyevudde njagala kugamba nti mbadde nsaba ngende ebikunyonyola byonna nga tituli wano tugende. Anyway,
actually I've been pitidemu nendaba nga biri kind of complex ngamba Henry yayinza
resolving. Why don't we? I mean,
no, she needs to.
But in
Sweetheart, I know, but.
And you called me.
Yeah, I did, Henry. I also wanted to spend time with you. You need to help her. You know.
No, actually, Alex, no, I need to talk to her.
Bayambe.
We need to solve it. Okay, so it's okay with you?
It's okay with me.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
I'll be back soon.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Jump together, Sophie. To jump to Maliza.
You don't have to worry about anything.
Cry.
You have my full blessings.
All right. You don't have to cry. Come on.
I have mine every way.
Okay, dear darling.
Okay.
Love you.
kati ngenda kumuwa buli kimu kyonna bwakyetaaga bwakinsaba bwe nkimuwa. Kimu kyayagala.
OMG will be right back after these messages.
OMG. Oh my God.
OMG. Oh my God. Kino Kitalo. Oh my God. Banange. Katonda nga njagala nandetera akawala akalungi ne kafulinga on my lap. Ngate sinze nkeyitidde nika suggestinga tubeeko gye tugenda babiri fekka ate nga ne mukyala wange Sarah yennyini akiwadde blessing ye oba nno kantwala wa bannange Alex alyokanga n'agenda nandifunyeewo akakisanga kano.
Henry, what are you thinking about? You seem lost, Mubirowozo.
Well, no. I was thinking about your problem. And I was like, Alex is a fool.
Huh?
To leave a beautiful girl like you go? No. Well, I guess that's life.
Ketra wabeera.
Wano.
Koko nawe ajja kubuli.
Kale se.
Sawa zina abaye.
Webale nnyo ssebo.
Kale se.
Nebalizaako ne ku the old gentleman. Back at the cafe.
Mali chali.
Yeah, the chef.
Chalimpa. Kale sebo.
Webale nnyo ssebo.
Kale sebo koko najja kubuli.
Kale sebo. Ketra? Ketra? I'm sorry, sir. I think Banda gave them a chance. No, I'm honest mistake.
What I am want here?
Sorry?
What I am want here? Oyagala chwa?
I came looking for a lady. Her name is Ketra.
Ketra?
Yes.
What I am want with it?
Sorry?
What? Kali chicho mwagaza.
Oh, I met her some time back, and her appearance and her looks, she just got so endeared to my heart. I just come looking for her to express my feeling for her.
Yeah. And I'm like a feeling so.
Yes.
That's correct. Was a cinema magazine.
Sorry?
Was a cinema magazine.
No.
But you have a cinema magazine. What did you mind to get from phone?
What?
You think I don't think what I am thinking?
Sorry?
Sisima nyingo cholowoza.
No.
Catch from mufumbo. She's my wife.
Yes, sir.
I can't kugamba kusemba yo. Katra mukazi mufumbo. She's my wife.
All right. Yes.
Katra mukazi mufumbo.
Era chenkana mufumbo mukazi muto wa mchala utaba mchala wo.
Yes.
Isn't he your husband?
No, I'm not married. He's the husband to my sister.
Oh, I'm sorry about the misunderstanding. This is for you.
Thank you.
And I came looking for you, hoping we could talk, maybe.
But the environment.
The environment. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe we could go to some place.
Why not?
Okay. Captain Ricky Suzy, by the way. Nice to meet you, Mr.
Barnabas.
Mr. Barnabas. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Banange, I can't believe my luck. As a pilot, I have flown to so many destinations, seen beautiful women of different nationalities and backgrounds all over the world. Naye sirabanga mukazi mulungi kwenkana mukyalo no Ketra. Ate nemba nti olwamulaba ne falling in love with her at first sight. Kino tekimbangako. Tabanga ndabye nga mutunuulira.
God,
I'm feeling so embarrassed. I never thought I would fall in love again. And to fall in love with such a wonderful, attractive man. Mazima mulabe. Antunulidde. Tabanga ategedde kye ndowooza. Mazima ninga aloota. Oba ndi mu kirooto. Naye nedda. Ali wano mulaba. God, help me not to wake up and discover that I've been dreaming. Please, Mulavi.
Henry?
Wanje?
Ensonga kunzigisize waka.
Oh yes.
Nenkuleta wano. Nenkuleta mu kifonga kino.
Nga kino. Yes. Mpo kino.
You're very, very special.
Are you sure?
You're very, very special to me, Henry.
Why?
Yes, Henry. Henry?
Oh yes.
I wanted to be the first.
First?
The very first man.
Yes. Yes.
To meet my new boyfriend.
What?
Meet my new boyfriend, Dr. Owen Damba.
Oh my God, OMG, OMG, oh my God,
OMG, oh my God, Kino Kitalo, abaleeteddwa VCL Filming Studios. VCL ye kampuni esinga okufiriminga emikolo eminene, embaga, obulango bw'oku TV n'ebirala bingi nnyo ng'ekozesa